Jayashree. I am studying in UKG.
Jnanapita Award winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winner from Karnataka. Kuvempu, Dr. Shivam Karnat, Matki Venkatesh Ayankar, B.K. Gokat, U.R. Anantamurthy, Girish Karnat, Chandrasekhar Kamraj.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India. Bharatanatyam Tamil Nadu, Kathakali Kerala, Kathak Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri Manipur, Kuchipudi Andhra Pradesh, Odissi Odisha, Satraya Assam, Matki dance Madhya Pradesh, Gandiya Gujarat, Yಕ್ಷಗಾನ Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Namavadi, Namanam, Deriya, Tamilavadadi, Violet, Hemuna.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
7 wonders of India.
7 wonders of India. Ganesappa Temple, Karnataka. Hampi Temple, Karnataka. Golden Temple, Gujarat Temple, Madhya Pradesh. Sun Temple, Odisha. Beer, Taj Mahal.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Hathaparveda.
Dasavatar of Lord Vishnu.
Rasabhata Ramnar Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Nrsimha, Bhavana, Basurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: India Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Minister of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gulzarinananda, Bal Bhagatu Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Sardar Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Ishwanath Singh, Chandrasekhar, B.B. Narasimha, Anta Theory Vaswani, H.T. Devegowda, Indra Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring state of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Indian festival.
India festival: January. Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Magha Shivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Magaram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighter of India.
Women freedom fighter of India: Durgabai Deshmukh, Arnasma Bali, Chucheta Kipaliti, Rani Lakshmibai, Ramora Nehru, Kastuma Gandhi, Basanti Devi, Kitturani Channamma, Bega Bharat Mahat.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsism.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assamese, Bengali, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Sankani, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Famous temple in India.
Famous temple in India: Meenakshi Temple, Tamil Nadu; Kissimisa Temple, Maharashtra; Tirupati Temple, Andhra Pradesh; Jagannatha Temple, Orissa; Somnath Temple, Gujarat; Akshardham, Delhi; Bhagwati Temple, Gigan; Kamakya Temple, Assam; Kissimisa Temple, Uttar Pradesh.
President of India.
Presidents of India: Indira Prasad, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan.